Mr. Jelly threw brave enough to climb down from the tree and continue his walk. Eventually he came outside the edge of the water onto the field. It was an empty field. Or was it? In the long grass on the middle of the field, unseen by Mr. Jelly, it's the tramp, sleeping in his autumn sunshine. Mr. Jelly picked his way through the long grass. The tramp, fast asleep, snores. "Oh dear! What's that? What's that?" shrieked Mr. Jelly. "It's a lion! A heavy growl!" "Oh, the goodness! It's fabulous! It's fabulous to you! Laugh! It's shouting at me too! It's shouting to a laugh! Then he fainted. Will's commercial waiting tramper yawned. "Stretch! Shut up!" When he saw that Mr. J lay on the ground beside him. "Oh dear," he said, "is the kindly tramp. Oh dearie me!"